Thank you.
You're welcome.
You all may be seated. All right, Mr. Clough,
Yes,
you're
Honor.
back, except today you're the petitioner. Looks like we found Mom.
Finally found her.
Okay, finally found her. What can I do for you today?
All right, guys, buckle up because this courtroom battle is about to get messy. A father claims he's been giving everything, while the mother, she's finally shown up after months of absence. Money, betrayal, and child support are all on the table today. This isn't just about dollars. It's about responsibility, neglect, and who really puts the kids first.
Before we really get started, are the kids in the car with the dog again today?
Kids aren't in the car, Your Honor. The dog got hit, so he's in a doggy wheelchair.
Okay.
So.
All right. Well, I'm sorry to hear that about the dog, but the kids are fine.
They are. They're with the neighbor.
Okay, good.
Notice how the judge immediately establishes order, telling the mom to direct her comments to bench, not at the father. This isn't just etiquette. It's a way to prevent hostile crossfire in a heated custody and support battle. If you were the judge, would you have clamped down this quickly or let the tension play out?
Hey.
Have you been paying?
Well, no, that's not how this
hasn't,
works. That's not how this works.
She hasn't been paying.
All right.
She has not been paying.
Has she at least been visiting with the children?
She hasn't visited the children, but she visited that man in jail that she ran off with.
Oh, the one that was in the car that you
In the
really couldn't
Cutlass,
see?
yeah.
The Cutlass. Oh, yeah, that's right.
Yeah, he got arrested not too long after.
This is where things explode. Dad reveals that while Mom hasn't visited her own kids, she did visit a man in jail. And not just any man, the one arrested after that PPP loan scheme. The contradiction here is brutal. How do you explain prioritizing a lover behind bars over 5 children at home?
But I got a promotion at work.
All right, congratulations.
I appreciate that.
All right.
I may be a manager at the McDonald's, so I'm making a little bit more, and I was able to put 2 of the kids on insurance, but not all of them.
Then comes a striking turn. Dad has stepped up. He's now a manager at McDonald's, providing health insurance for some of the kids. It's proof that even modest promotions can shift the balance of responsibility. Question is, shouldn't both parents be making sacrifices, not just one?
Okay, Miss Daniels.
Yes, Judge. I'm sorry.
Excuse me.
Judge, I'm sorry.
Are you here to be pretty, or are you here to tell me your side of the story as to why you shouldn't pay child support today?
A little bit of both, Judge. But I'm
not interested in whether you're here to be pretty or not. That has nothing to do with my ruling. You understand that, right?
The mother tries a bold defense, reminding the judge she raised the kids alone for 10 years. But here's the legal reality. The court doesn't just weigh history. It weighs current responsibility. Past sacrifice doesn't excuse present neglect. Would you side with her argument or see it as deflection?
Let's talk about this come up. What kind of come up are we talking about?
Well, Judge, I met a man who said he can change my life, Judge.
All right, so how financially, did he change this life of yours?
Not too much.
Oh, yeah.
Mr. Clough.
I know.
Mr. Clough. We don't know. Let's hear her side of the story.
Here's a jaw dropper. Mom admits she came up financially after meeting a man who promised to change her life. Yet, the court isn't interested in fairy tales. Judges want hard numbers. Income, expenses, bank balances. Her evasive answers are digging her deeper into a legal hole.
Ready to talk about these 6 figures you have in the bank?
I do.
All right, how much money we talking?
We talking about, 300-400. You know what I'm saying?
Bullshit. Sorry.
You said no more outbursts.
I was coughing. I'm sorry.
It's true.
It's your allergies.
Yeah.
Handle that. You need some tissue?
No. No, thank you.
Okay. Ms. Daniels, that's what you have in the...
When pressed for specifics, Mom claims to have 6 figures in the bank, but can't explain her actual annual income. This is dangerous. Courts view vague or exaggerated claims as red flags. It's a reminder. When money's on the line, honesty and precision are your only protection.
So,
Ms. Daniels, you know I don't have a lot of time, right? I have other cases I need to get here.
I do understand that.
Right, so you obviously came here to waste my time.
I didn't.
You did, because I asked you a very simple question.
Judge,
On average,
I have a simple answer.
On average, how much do you make in a year?
Judge, I'd like to say about maybe about 30 to 100K.
Okay, 30 to 100,000.
Yeah.
So we just gonna take the high end. So
And then, boom, the judge snaps. He's had enough of her wasting time with vague answers. Courts run on efficiency, not Instagram-level storytelling. That frustration you hear? It's the sound of credibility crumbling right in front of him. Once a judge thinks you're wasting time, you've lost ground.
What do we do?
Self-employed.
All right.
I do influence.
what do you influence?
I influence the world.
You clearly aren't influencing. You said the world.
The world.
Well, that doesn't include these 5 children because you don't even go and see them, right?
It's just been the last couple months.
Well,
okay?
no. Excuse me.
Yes, Judge.
You're influencing everyone but these children that you do not have anything to do with and you do not financially support.
She reveals she's an influencer, claiming to influence the world. But the judge delivers the ultimate reality check. If you can't influence your own children, financially or emotionally, then what's the point? That contrast between public image and private neglect, it's devastating.
I got more than the BBL. I had tube sock titties, so I got the booties, then I got the booty, and then I got all that. So he probably paid $35, $40.
$1,000?
Yeah, he did.
Oh yeah.
though.
Let me hurry up and get you out of here with.
Here comes one of the most shocking reveals. Mom admits someone else paid $35, $40, $000 for her cosmetic surgeries, while she neglected her child support. This is where the drama peaks. Luxury choices weighed against the needs of 5 children. How would you judge that trade-off?
All right. So your child support, you're looking at monthly. So with your testimony being on the high end of $100,000, that's what I just based your child support off of. So, I mean, well, I was going to make it higher than that and do it like the $350,000. Then that would make you cap out. But
I think you should do that.
well,
No.
if I have to accept her testimony is true, but I don't really think that it's going to help her too much because her child support is still going.
The numbers come crashing down. Based on her own testimony, the judge calculates nearly $3,000 a month in child support. It's a hefty price, but courts set these amounts to reflect real needs: food, shelter, insurance, school. This is where the consequences of avoiding responsibility finally become unavoidable.
Want me to know that's related to this?
Judge, briefly about visitation. How does that work?
The kids are going to stay with him, and you guys are going to work that out at a
we don't get
different.
along very well, as you can see.
Well, obviously, but I mean, they need to stay with him and probably see you on weekends.
And just like that, the gavel falls. Mom leaves with a nearly $3,000 monthly support order, while Dad keeps custody. From jailhouse visits to luxury surgeries, this case exposed a brutal gap between image and responsibility. If this courtroom drama stunned you too, drop your take in the comments, hit like, and subscribe for more real cases that cut this deep.